All right, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, back already so soon. Just wanted to go over a couple of things before I do the daily recap. I'm using my phone mic and now my AirPods because those sounded so bad, and I think this sounds 1,000 times better. And then the second thing is I'm switching to daily uploads for the recaps for a couple of different reasons, mainly because you and y'all's TikTok brains can't handle a 30-minute video. So it's just easier to digest. I can knock them out a lot faster and post multiple uploads a week instead of just once on Saturday. So I feel like everyone can benefit from that. But now I'll get into the daily recap. So today was President's Day. So going into today, of course, we had an early close. Market just closed at 12 o'clock Central Time. And also with that, there was, of course, low volume. Most banks and hedge funds were closed today because it was a federal holiday. So we already knew we were going to get little price action. I didn't even think I was going to trade today, but I woke up and didn't have anything better to do and found the only play of the day. So with this daily recap, I will show you the best and only play of the entire session. So looking overnight, if I pull up a 15-minute chart, we hit some resistance yesterday on Sunday at 7 p.m. We came up to 5029.5, got rejected. So at this point, this is where I knew where our sellers would be going into today's session. And then we dropped and we bounced at around 5019. So this became our demand zone. And so overnight, we ended up hitting this demand zone again right here around 2 in the morning. I believe that's when London session opens up. So we get some buyers here. We bounce. Of course, most of us are asleep by then, so we're not trading that. And then market opens. Let's see. Let's fast forward to market open. Here we go, 8:30. So market opens here. We do have some more resistance pre-market here. So you could have taken a short because of this resistance, but I didn't feel like it would be optimal because on days like today where there's very low volume and the session closes early, I think the best trades of the day would be to target either the highs or the lows and enter in there, not during this chop zone. So originally I texted my group chat and said that I wanted to take a short at 5029 because if you look at a 15-minute, well, really you don't have to look at a 15-minute. You can look at any time frame, but essentially the high was 5029.5. So I wanted to get in short somewhere up here, have my stop loss above the highs, and then target the lows. But we ended up not hitting 29. On a 5-minute, what ended up happening was we hit 28.75 and then we dropped to 27.5. So I was like, dang, I feel like I missed it. I don't know if we're gonna get that 29. So I told myself that if we go back up, I'm gonna take the short. So we do go up a little bit on these next two candles, and I take a short here at 50.28, and I was targeting this demand zone down here at 50.19. I was hoping today, we could just chop around, take some shorts up here, take some longs, but that ended up not happening. So I take a short here at 28, and we come down a bit, and at this level right here, this is the point of control, which just means that this is where most trades and orders executed. So I knew that this could have been a point where we get a rebound and head back to the highs. And at the same time, I saw that we had some support right down here. So pre-market, we hit this demand, come down here, find some more buyers, come up, find some more buyers here. So whenever we sold off to this same level, I knew that there was a possibility that this held. And so I actually sold right here. I didn't target the 19. Got out for about a little over a 4-point gain, so it was like $400. I had 2 contracts. That was the only trade that I took. And what do you know? We got the bounce. We kind of hovered around this area. And for the remainder of the day, that we didn't go back up here. We didn't come lower. We just hung around and chopped. So I stayed and watched, but that was the only trade that I took. And I'm glad that I sold when I did. Just take some profits on a very slow and choppy day. So that's pretty much it. Short video. Going to be doing these once a day. Hope you learned something. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, love you.